Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into phrasal verbs with take. We'll explore some common and useful phrases, breaking them down with examples so you can use them confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. Take off. 1. To remove something like clothing. She took off her jacket because it was too warm. Take off. 2. To leave the ground for planes. The plane took off at 8 p.m. Take on. 1. To accept a challenge or responsibility. She decided to take on the role of team leader. Take out. 1. To remove something from a place. He took out the rubbish before going to bed. Take out, or 2. To take someone on a date or to a social event. She took him out for dinner to celebrate his promotion. Take over. To assume control or responsibility. She will take over as manager when he retires. The new company plans to take over several smaller firms. Take up. 1. To start a new hobby or activity. She decided to take up painting in her free time. Take up. 2. To occupy space or time. This project will take up most of my week. Take through. To explain or guide someone through a process. Let me take you through the steps to complete the application. The instructor took the students through the new software. Take 2. To develop a liking for something or someone. She really took to her new colleagues quickly. He has taken to jogging every morning. Take away. 1. to remove something. They took away his driving license after the incident. Take away. 2. T0 subtract. If you take away 5 from 10, you get 5. Take out on. To vent one's anger on someone who is not responsible. Don't take out your frustration on me. She took out her anger on her innocent friend. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below using your favorite phrasal verb with take or any new ones you learned today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more language learning content. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.